So you've decided it's time for a new credit card, and you're thinking about TD. Maybe you're a current customer looking to expand your banking relationship, or maybe you're new to TD and are ready to explore your options. This is a common situation for a lot of people, and getting a new credit card can seem a little complicated, but the process is actually pretty straightforward. The first thing you want to do is figure out which TD credit card is the right one for you. TD offers a range of options, from cards that earn you cash back or travel points to cards with low interest rates or no annual fees. To help narrow it down, think about your spending habits. Do you spend a lot on groceries and gas? A cashback card might be a good fit. Are you a frequent flyer, or do you plan to travel more? An Aeroplan or travel rewards card could be the way to go. You can even use the credit card selector tool on the TD website to find a card that aligns with your financial goals. Once you've picked the card you want, you'll need to make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. These can vary depending on the card. Generally, you'll need to be a Canadian resident and of the age of majority in your province or territory. Some cards also have a minimum annual income requirement, so be sure to check that detail before you apply. Now for the application itself. The fastest and easiest way to apply is online through the TD website. You'll be asked to provide some personal information, like your name, address, and date of birth. You'll also need to share details about your employment and income. Having your SIN or social insurance number and a recent pay stub or other proof of income ready can make the process smoother. The online form is secure and easy to follow. When you submit your application, TD will perform a hard inquiry on your credit file. This is a standard step for any credit card application. It helps the bank assess your creditworthiness. You'll often get an instant decision, but sometimes it can take a few business days for the bank to review your application. If you're approved, congratulations. You'll receive your new credit card in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. If for some reason your application isn't approved, don't worry. It's not a reflection of you, and there could be a number of factors at play. It's a good idea to wait a few months before applying for another card, as multiple inquiries in a short period can temporarily impact your credit score. In the meantime, you can focus on building a strong credit history by making sure your payments on other accounts are on time. Applying for a TD credit card is a simple process when you know what to expect. Choosing the right card for your lifestyle and having your information ready are the most important steps. Good luck.